Welcome to the hidden world inside teeth, the root canal system. Before we dive in, here's your roadmap. Think of it as a 3D maze, full of twists, turns, and secret passageways. Knowing this map separates a dental student from a confident clinician. The root canal isn't a straight tunnel, it's a labyrinth. You'll find curves, fins, lateral canals, and isthmuses, all hiding bacteria if missed. Curves can make files dance. Fins and lateral canals, tiny hideouts. Isthmuses, the secret bridges connecting canals. Miss these and infection can linger. Ouch. Understanding canal anatomy guides your cleaning, shaping, and filling. Remember, what you see on the X-ray is just the beginning. The tooth holds many secrets inside. Imagine navigating a real maze blindfolded. That's a root canal if you don't know the anatomy. So remember your roadmap: anatomy, complexity, clinical relevance, and challenges. Master these and the root canal maze becomes manageable. Time to test your canal IQ. Question 1. Which of these is not part of root canal complexity? A. Curves. B. Fins. C. Isthmuses. D. Enamel rods. The answer is D. Enamel rods. Question 2. Lateral canals are A. Main canals. B. Side passages connecting pulp to periodontum. C. Just artifacts on X-ray. The answer is B. Side passages connecting pulp to periodontum. Question 3. Why are isthmuses important in endodontics? A. They make the tooth prettier. B. They connect canals and can harbor bacteria. C. They are irrelevant. The answer is B. Connect canals and can harbor bacteria. Congratulations! You've survived the root canal labyrinth. Remember your map, navigate carefully, and keep your patients smiling.